Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use ClickUp for product road mapping. This is your complete 2025 guide for creating a clear, actionable plan for your product's future. First up, you need to set up your ClickUp workspace. This step is crucial because your entire product roadmap will live here. Start by clicking on your profile icon and select Add Workspace. Name your workspace something related to your product and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now that we've done that, let's create a folder. This is where we'll keep all our lists for different product roadmap items. Go to the left sidebar and click on Plus Add. Select Folder and give it a name related to your product roadmap. The reason we do this is to ensure all our roadmap items are well organized and easy to locate. Next up, let's create lists within the folder. Each list will represent a specific feature or aspect of your product. Click on your folder and then click Plus Add List. Name your list and repeat the process for all the features you want to include in your roadmap. This step is important because it allows us to break down our product roadmap into manageable parts. Now it's time to add tasks. Each task represents an action needed to complete a feature. Click on a list, then Plus Add Task. Give your task a name and assign it a due date. This helps us because it provides a clear timeline for when each feature should be completed. Lastly, don't forget to use custom fields. These are incredibly helpful for adding extra details like task priority or task owner. Just click on a task, then Plaid Custom Field and fill in the details. And there you have it. You've just built a product roadmap using ClickUp. Remember, the beauty of this tool is that it's customizable to your needs, so don't be afraid to play around and see what works best for you. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep planning and road mapping.